Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zed in Wild Rift. Zed is a powerful mid-lane assassin, but his early game requires careful play. Focus on farming minions, using your first ability, Razor Shuriken, to secure last hits from a safe distance. Once you reach level 3, you can start more aggressive trades with your Living Shadow and Shadow Slash. The real power spike arrives at level 5 when you unlock Deathmark, enabling potent all-ins and opportunities to roam to other lanes for kills. Zed's effectiveness hinges on executing his ability combos precisely. A common poke involves placing your Living Shadow, then immediately casting Shadow Slash and Razor Shuriken to hit enemies from afar. For an all-in, initiate with your ultimate Deathmark, then quickly follow with Living Shadow, Shadow Slash, and Razor Shuriken. The key to maximizing your burst damage is to ensure both Zed and his Shadow hit the target with their abilities, often landing 2 or 3 Shurikens. As the game progresses into the late stages, Zed transitions into a formidable split pusher and assassin. Your primary goal is to find isolated enemy carries and eliminate them swiftly. Use Deathmark to dive into the enemy backline, targeting squishy damage dealers. Be aware of defensive items like Stasis Enchant and Guardian Angel, which can temporarily negate your burst. Your strategic objective is to create numerical advantages by assassinating key threats before major team fights erupt. For Zed's optimal build, prioritize items that provide high attack damage, lethality, and ability haste. Yaomu's Ghostblade offers excellent movement speed and burst, while Duskblade of Drakthar grants invisibility and additional damage. Serylda's Grudge provides crucial armor penetration and a slowing effect. For runes, Electrocute is a top choice for burst, complemented by Brutal for early game damage, Hunter Titan for scaling health, and Hunter Genius for ability haste. Always take Flash and Ignite as your summoner spells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.